All right, so.
Hey, boys and girls, sorry. I'm in a lot of pain.
Scotty's hurting, but.
I pulled some.
Sorry,
No,
didn't mean to
I'm
blame
blind.
you. I'm trying to get
Here
the
we
light
go.
on
I got it. There we
I'm
go.
trying to get the light on the magic here.
There we go.
Woo!
So,
Nice.
it's all
work.
into place, cleaned it up, all new bushings. Yeah.
Look at that. Very nice. One down, 2.5 to go.
Yeah, 2.5 to go.
Because you got the other steady on this side. Got the mount up here.
Yep.
And then you got the mount in the back.
Yep.
Then you got to finish up the trans. I got to fix the broken bolt in the rear end. We got to fill everything with fluid, put the drive shaft in, bleed the brakes, put the battery in, and give it our blessing. Oh, and align it.
All in a day's work.
And set the toe.
All in a day's work.
So, I think this will be the Thanksgiving miracle. I think we will have this.
If we do this, if we can be left alone, no one, we're not talking about you, John. You're fine. I promise you're fine. If we can get left alone, I think if you and I tag team this, we could have it done in like 2 days.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 at most.
We need to do shakedowns and stuff, so that's why I'm saying Thanksgiving miracle. Maybe day before Thanksgiving, that Wednesday, will be the day he comes and gets it.
Yeah. But I promise I won't be at the front door going, may I have some more?
No, you're just sticking your whole out.
Oh,
Please, sir. May I have some more, please?
oh Jesus, Andre.
You're an asshole.
Do I work with children? I think I work with children.
That's
And
why
I'm supposed to be the adult in this group.
That's a problem.
I work with children, coming from the biggest perv amongst us.
We're all children.
I am not a pervert.
I'm not talking to you.
I am a provert. I am a professional pervert. Thank you very much. Or in your case, spank you very much.
Leos.
I know, right?
I'm a Leo. Never mind.
Oh,
But I'll tell you, the work of everything we've done looks so fucking good over here.
yeah, this car's.
Can you see all the nice little shiny copper and the pieces and
Still needs to be 415 on the chassis.
Yeah. Andre, shut the fuck up. Wait. Look at that, though. It's
it
nice.
came out so nice. I mean, it's
Beautiful.
this really has been a love affair with this car. It really truly has. I love
Are
it.
you going to take it to dinner in a movie? Or are you just going to...
I might just take it
You're
home.
just going
and-
to raw dog the exhaust?
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna raw dog it. I am. I'm using fucking poly grip and sandpaper and going in dry.
So this is your next dealio here. You're going
Yep.
to handle that tomorrow.
I'll do that one, and
Get that
then
one,
I
and
will.
Then you got to go up top.
Yeah. No, then I will come over here.
Where?
And I will work on this one.
Yeah, well, I said that.
Oh, I didn't. Death, what can I say? I'll get this cleaned up, get this taken care of, get the bushings in on this one. Get everything soaked and cleaned and painted.
Before, after.
Yeah, I know, right? Here's your before.
Here's your
Ready,
before.
folks? And
Ready?
there's the after.
Oh, yeah. See, that's how that works.
Yep.
All right, yeah, so we'll get all that done. You got to get the trans. You got to finish up sealing that up.
He said trans. I'm scared.
Oh, my God. So you got to do that. I got to fix the little bit on the diff.
Yep.
We got to do some fluids and then align it and fire it, basically.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't sound like a lot, but on paper or verbally, but it's going to take a little more time. But
Yeah.
it's coming along. So, nice. Very nice.
I cannot wait. Because I've never personally heard this run.
It sounded good even with the effed up exhaust. So now it has exhaust that isn't shit. It's gonna be great. What are you fingering?
I forgot a spot.
It's okay.
I've been making sure to wipe down everything that I grease so that there's no extra. So that it won't collect crap.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Okay, we gotta start buttoning
But okay, boys and girls,
gotta go
we're gonna have turkey. Ooh.
That was weird as hell. Anyway, all right, we gotta get ready to go to class. Say bye, Scotty.
Bye, Scotty.